Donovan here doing a quick little screencast of my presentation from today. So this worked out pretty cool. This was designed for fifth grade because I've got a professional goal for fifth grade on helping them get academic goals set over the course of 3 weeks. So this was set for them, but the elementary school, the kindergarten teacher came in and said they're really having a rough day, and I was able to use this exact same tool for kindergarten. So where I have 5 steps per level. So I've kind of gamified basically goal setting or trying to figure out behavior or whatever you want to do with kids to actually get them to make some improvements. It's not like they should know it by the 90th day of kindergarten. We've been in person all year long, and that's been super, super fortunate for us and for the kids, for their mental health and everything. But the idea here is that each level has 5 little steps, and every time they get something done, they can put a little smiley face into place. And so we did this as a class. I set the tone for the fifth graders to set their goals and accomplish them over the course of 3 weeks. So each one of these is Monday through Friday. But for the kindergartners, each one of these levels, okay, we got a little ding there. So when they get to our little Eagles coin, they get a ding. And then we got 5 more, and you get another ding. Oops, that went off a little bit fast. And then 5 more and you get a cheer. So what I did is I did 15 different little direction following steps today in 30 minutes for kindergartners. So it worked super well, like line up, and then they weren't lining up right, and they're going to lose a face or make an oval or hop on one foot. So just had them follow all these different directions. Super easy on the first 5 lower level. Then the medium level, it got a little bit tougher. And then the high level, I made it a little bit tougher and had those expectations a little bit higher for the kindergartners. But it was just a lot of fun today. And this gamification is huge for education. And, there might be kindergartners out there that can code better than I can, but this was basically just a Google slide. It wasn't really coding. I made this from a Google slide and set it up and got all these little features put in there to make it work well for kindergartners. They loved it. They had a lot of fun. The smart board was glitching and it kind of ghosted in the last couple of smiley faces, and they just busted out laughing. So it was a lot of fun when they just, and I tried to get rid of them and then they popped back and the kids just totally lost it. But the cool thing is we got to really focus in on what the kindergarten teacher was struggling with today. We got to address it through character ed right now in the now moment today, and it really worked out great. So I thought I'd share this, a really cool thing. It might be putting this on teacher pay teachers or some kind of way to access it in the future. But just throwing together this video, if you've got some questions or feedback of any kind or anything needs to be clarified, just let me know. But I love making my own stuff for character ed, and this is one that was a real hit today. So making it just like some of the video games they have, where they get coins and a little bit of a little bit of that excitement with the little audio sounds. So I hope you guys have a great weekend and take care.